Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, April the 8th, 2023. Almost Easter. Tomorrow will be Easter Sunday. We have two puzzles already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the 4 stars Sudoku. Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one you are interested. But is this binary again an easy one? Yeah, because this one has, I believe, 28 printed digits. Yeah, 28 printed digits. Easy one. Waste of paper, waste of ink. This one will be 6248. 6248. 28 printed digits. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row there are always, or in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Already 1 minute and 20 minutes passed. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. This pencil is driving me crazy. Yes, between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 2 minutes. 2 minutes minus 1. 245 minus 1.20. 120. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Wow. Without comparing. Well. Publisher. We need more hard ones with the binary puzzles. Because if the printed digits more than have 20 printed digits, then it should be an easy one. Well, kid stuff. Yes, kids stuff. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you later on with the last puzzle of today, a 4 stars tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.